Alright, so it's assignment time. So now you already have a castle. You might want to start over now that you have a few more tools available. But at least 4 towers with arrow slits. How would you make an arrow slit? What tool did you have? You can do it in several ways. Maybe Boolean? How about those offset blocks on the top of it? So now we got one keep with at least 10 windows. How would you make a window? And offset blocks on the top of it, and at least 4 inner curtain walls with offset blocks on the top of it. And if you want to get fancy with your drawbridge now, you can. Your Bailey, I'm not even going to tell you what that is until you look it up, but you can fulfill all of these because you now have the ability to remove components, you have booleans, you have arrays, and you have, the edge cut, edge loop, edge ring, you have extrude, you have offset or insets. So there was a lot covered in this chapter. So utilize all those tools to make a cool castle. Fulfill these obligations, and then let's go on to the next chapter.